Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to the Daily Word Builder. We're going to build your vocabulario de español. This week we're working with all sorts of things conectado con la verdad, with the truth. Hoy la frase es el verdadero significado, which means the real meaning. And there are some lovely ejemplos of how you can use this sentence. But when I went through them, I found that para mí, they all have this feeling, un sentimiento of, I know better than you. Have a listen and see what you think. Por ejemplo, está olvidando el verdadero significado de la Navidad. He's forgetting, or you're forgetting, or she's forgetting, or está olvidando el verdadero significado de la Navidad. What do you think? Behind that, is there something negative, something, I know better than you? I think so. Or ese no es el verdadero significado de la religión. That's not the real meaning of religion. Bueno, let's look for una definición. Entonces, o este ejemplo, pocos conocen el verdadero significado del amor. Few people know the real meaning of love. La implicación es que yo conozco el verdadero significado del amor y los demás no. Bueno, maybe it's just me, but that's how I'm reading it. That's how it's feeling to me. O este ejemplo. Ese chico aprenderá el verdadero significado del trabajo. Bueno, implica que hasta ahora el chico no ha trabajado y va a trabajar. Entonces, para mí siempre hay algo un poquito negativo detrás de esta frase, el verdadero significado. Or maybe you can have something neutral. ¿Sabes el verdadero significado de Halloween? It's something I just found out. And then you can explain it. You can use this to present un hecho interesante, an interesting fact. What I did as well was I went to Google, and I'd like you to do this and see if you get the same thing as me. Go to Google and type in el verdadero significado de, and then see what comes up. And my suggestions were el verdadero significado del Padre Nuestro, which is our Father, which is the Lord's Prayer. El verdadero significado de me da igual, which means I don't care. Me da igual. Y el verdadero significado de los 15 años. I haven't been through and clicked through, but it's interesting to see what the suggestions are. And let me tell you now what the top suggestion was from Google. El verdadero significado de Subway Surfers, which is a constant running game that you can get on Google Play or something. Why? So, what I'd like you to do is escribe en Google el verdadero significado de, and then tell me in the comments box to this video what you get. I'll look forward to reading your comments to see if what your suggestions are the same as what mine are. Not very good English. Doesn't matter. Me da igual. Y nos vemos mañana for más vocabulario en español. Thank you for watching. Click like, click subscribe y nos vemos mañana. Adiós.